How to remove old Orbi satellite unit from network. In this video, we'll show you how to remove an old Orbi satellite unit from your network. First, power off the satellite unit by unplugging it from the power source. Next, open the Orbi app on your smartphone or tablet. In the app, go to Settings and select Orbi Satellites. Find the satellite you wish to remove from the list and tap on it. Tap Remove or Forget and confirm the action to remove the satellite from your network. Ensure the satellite is powered off and unplugged. If you want to reset the satellite to factory settings, press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds until the LED blinks. Finally, check your network to ensure everything is working as expected with the remaining satellites and router. That's it. You've successfully removed an old Orbi satellite unit from your network. Thanks for watching.